Today we're gonna learn how to replace Roomba left or right side wheel module. Actually, this Roomba is partially apart, but it doesn't matter. It has all the parts needed to make the replacement on a normal Roomba, which is assembled. You take the Roomba on its back. Of course, don't forget to protect the IR wall sensor, which is supposed to be located right down here. So I take some towel or a sponge, place it underneath the robot. Now we are gonna open the bottom faceplate. Those 4 Phillips screws gonna open. Gonna take the bottom faceplate from the robot, and now we're gonna see the right and left wheel modules. When we want to take them out, just the right module, we take this screw out, one, this one is the second, and I release it, and the third is right over here, if you can see it. I'm gonna take them out. And if you feel some difficulty, it's maybe because of the part of the screws are not dismantled all the way. And that's it. That's Roomba's right and left wheel module disassembly. And when you get the new part, just squeeze it in, this way, and close the 3 screws. One, two, and the third one on the back, and on the left wheel the 3 screws are right over here, 1, 2, and 3.